Okay, today if I'm going to be finding 5% of a number. So the really important thing to realize here is that I can find 5% in a couple of ways, but probably the easiest way is to find 10% and then divide it by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So 10%, remember, is the same as 1/10, so I'm dividing by 10. And then to go to 5%, I need to divide my answer by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So say I wanted to find 5% of 80. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find 10%, which is dividing by 8. But then to find 5%, I need to divide by 2, which gives me 4. So 5% of 80 is 4. That's 5%. What about if I wanted to find 5% of 40? Well, again, first of all, I'm going to find 10%. So I'm going to divide by 10, 1/10, which is 4. Now I've got 10%, and I need to get to 5%. Well, to get from 10 to 5, I divide by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So 5% of 40 is 2. Again, one more example. Think of 120. First of all, I'm going to find 10% by dividing by 10, which is 12. And then to find 5%, I can just divide by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 12 divided by 2 gives me 6. 5% of 120 is 6. So your turn now. Have a go at these and see how you get on. Pause the video, unpause when you're ready. Okay, so remember, first step, we're always going to find 10%. 10% of 60 is 6, and then I'm going to divide by 2 to find 5%, which is 3. Same here. 10% of 100 is 10. 5%, therefore, dividing by 2 is 5. And here I get 240 divided by 10 is 24. That's 10%, 1/10. But I now need to find 5%, so I need to divide this by 2 because 10 divided by 2 is 5. 24 divided by 2 then is 12. So 12 is 5% of 240.